to another video from Tired Geek. Today I wanted to discuss something that I faced with one of my clients at work, where they opened one particular PDF file. Other PDF files worked just fine, but when they opened this particular PDF file, they saw things like just faint lines and circles and things like that. I went through the internet and scoured and tried a number of different options, but the one that I finally landed on wasn't really something that stuck out as a setting that needed to be changed to resolve this issue. So if you go to your, I have Adobe Reader, I don't have Acrobat. This particular issue was resolved in Acrobat DC. So if you have that version or Reader, I believe this will work. So if you go to Edit, Preferences, Accessibility, my client had this Replace Document Colors checked, and that was producing these weird lines. Once I unchecked that and clicked OK, boom, everything showed up. Beautiful image, full color, full display. So if you're running into this issue on your end with Acrobat Reader or DC, feel free to try this setting and let me know in the comments if it works. If it doesn't work, we can maybe come up with some more options, or I could do some digging for you. Alright, have a great day. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to like it, subscribe for more content, and have a great day.